Now, you're probably shocked by the title of this video that all real estate agents lie. You know, the fact is we're the most honest and ethical people out there, but there's one big lie that nearly every real estate agent tells themselves. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what that is. Now, my name's Greg Luther, and I've been selling real estate for over 18 years and now coach over 30,000 realtors all over the United States. And I hear this big lie from every single agent that I talk to. They're telling themselves one thing. They say, if I just had more cash flow, I'd be able to make more money. If I could advertise, if I could buy these services, I'd be able to make it as a realtor. The reason I can't succeed is because I don't have any cash. I'm going to prove to you today that that's absolutely wrong. And here's why. Because what happens is, for real estate agents all over the country, they think with no cash, you can't get leads. Well, let me tell you something. I've made millions of dollars in real estate. I have money. So let's pretend this is Shark Tank. I give you $10,000. What are you going to do with it? How are you going to invest the money? What are you going to buy? What services are you going to get? What kind of ads are you going to run that you can guarantee me as your investor that you'll predictably bring in hundreds of thousands of dollars? The problem is not that you don't have money, because I'll give you the money. But if I give you $10,000, what are you going to do with it? You cannot show me a system that will predictably bring in the type of revenue that you need and guarantee those results. Well, did you know you can actually get results without spending that kind of money? You do not need money to make money as a real estate agent. So if we were, again, looking at this as a Shark Tank perspective, if you came in and said, here's my business model, if you'll give me this $10,000, here's exactly what I want to do, where I'll advertise, what my unique selling proposition looks like, and the reason that the buyers and sellers will work with you, if you can show me that, $10,000 is yours. But I think you'll agree, generally what we'll do is we'll pay off some of our old debts, we're going to buy a couple of ads, try a new service, sign up for this new webinar that we were on, with no guarantee whatsoever it's going to get anywhere. Let me tell you, you've already wasted over $10,000 on that, and it's gotten you right where you are today. So what you've got to do is use totally free marketing to generate the type of revenue you're looking for. You do not need money to make money. And if you're lying to yourself every day, if you're telling yourself that big lie, it's actually holding you back from making good money as a real estate agent. It's keeping you from finding a process that's going to make sense for you. That's what I do. We do it every single day, and we teach agents how to start what I call a bootstrap business, how to start with virtually $0 in marketing so that you can grab a couple of closings and ultimately get that cash flow you need to then go bigger with your real estate business. But to get that first $20,000, $30,000, $40,000 in marketing expenses, you can get a few closings with $0 in expense. So the key is going to be, how do you find qualified and motivated prospects right there in your marketplace that are willing to work with you, and you don't have to spend an arm and a leg. You don't have to buy softwares and lead generation programs and printing and postage and all of those things. You got to remember, everybody started somewhere. Every top producer in your marketplace started with $0 and had to find a way to make it work. So I don't want you to tell yourself the lie that the reason you're not making money is because you don't have any money to invest. Again, if this were Shark Tank and I gave you 10 grand, show me the business model. Show me what you would do with it. What most agents are missing is a business model that works, where it does make sense when you lay it out, but you don't need any money to invest in order to make that happen. That's what we teach inside our systems. If you've been on our webinars, our trainings, our online teleseminars, you've seen that you can use totally free marketing to generate some business, get that cash flow going, so then you can go big with your real estate practice. If you look at the link here on the website or in the description below, you're going to see a link where you can get some good training to get your real estate business going without investing a bunch of money. Don't fall for the #1 lie that all real estate agents tell themselves they do well if they just had money to start with. You do not need that. I'm going to show you how to do it. Click on the link here, get joined up, and let me show you how you can build your business from the ground up with a good, solid foundation. I'm Greg Luther, and I'll see you on the next page. Hey, hopefully you enjoyed that video and it's been helpful for you. Do me a favor, subscribe to this YouTube channel so you can get information on more videos as they become available, and also check out the description below this video so you can see more links that'll be helpful for your business.